I didn't bring Elevator Dog 100 with me, but here's the date and time on the Garmin Forerunner 620. And we are actually at North Avenue Beach right now in Chicago, Illinois. So here's a little look at the beach. And in this video, we are, and in front of us right now is a place called Castaways Bar and Grill. And basically what it is just like a huge, like, boat, is basically what the shape of the building is. So it looks really cool from here. But anyways guys, the purpose of this video is to ride the elevator that they have here. So that's what we're going to do right now. Now we're going to walk on this little boardwalk to the elevator. There's a sign up there that says Castaway Bar and Grill. Now let's go ride the elevator. Walk up this ramp here. And our elevator is here to the right. It is a Dover Impulse. And it's already here. And there seems to be an Impulse lantern on the outside, but there isn't any inside. That's strange. Anyways, it's at 2. Oh, it smells funny in here. Ooh, bang. Being the first one riding this elevator, I'm not getting a good impression out of it so far. So anyways, here are the 2. Ring the bell. At least the bell works. But look at it, the arrow is pretty much scribbled off. So you can barely see the black on it. So now we're going to head back down to 1. And it's probably going to slam again. Like that. So anyways, let's get a cab view. And honestly, this elevator is not in the best condition. For one thing, it slams. Second thing, this panel, this nameplate must have been removed or something. Like, also, certificate of inspection's been removed as well. Like, I don't know if someone took it off or something. And there it goes banging again. And here are your fixtures. Also, look at this. There's no door on the phone box. It's just open like that. Like, whoever maintains this elevator just is not good at doing it. So all I would say now is that this elevator is this is crap. Anyways, we're gonna get out of here now and ring the bell. I mean, I get that this place is near a beach and stuff. Wow. Talk about good condition. Like, literally it just slammed. Literally the exterior door just slammed before it closed all the way. So yeah, Castaway Bar and Grill, you may need to fix your elevator. Please fix and clean it and just do whatever to make it look nice. So anyways guys, that will be it.